Welcome to Mind, Body, Soul Living, a Walk in Nature. I'm Michelle Taylor and this is meditation 3 in this series. And today I am at the wonderful Killynether Country Park in Newtownards, County Down. This is another one of my favourite meditation spots, one of my favourite walks. And I have brought a meditation class up here and we practiced just in between these two glorious trees during the summer. So today, just on the subject of trees, I just wanted to do a brief tree meditation with you. And for any of you that have been to my classes, you'll know what this is because I start a lot of my classes with this meditation because it is very grounding and keeps you safe and protected while exploring your inner self. So if you just get yourself comfortable, you might want to watch the video and really get a sense of the tree, the size of the tree, the age of the tree, the connection with the earth, the protection that the tree offers as well. Get yourself sitting, lying down, watching, listening. Close your eyes, just get a sense of yourself as the tree. With your deep roots going down into the earth, holding your tree steady, steadfast, nurturing your tree, nourishing your tree. Get a sense of pulling on that earth energy, that abundant energy that is there for all of life. Drawing that up through the roots of your tree, into the base of the trunk of your tree, up into the mid-trunk of your tree, up further, into the boughs, the branches, up further. As you pull the energy up, allow it to expand outwards as well. Up into the twigs and the leaves, into the highest leaf at the tallest branch of the tree. Feel yourself totally immersed in that beautiful earth energy. Now get a sense of the divine source of energy beaming vertically downwards, down through the top of your tree, through the branches and the leaves, down through the twigs, down through the bough of the tree. This divine, white, translucent, unconditional, loving energy. And allow that to move downwards through the top of the trunk of your tree, through the mid of the trunk of your tree, through the base of the trunk of the tree, and down into the earth. And just get a sense of how these two energies merge together. As they merge together, let them dance. Let them dance in harmony, let them join. And as they do so, allow the energy to expand outwards, upwards, downwards, until you, as the tree, are totally cocooned in an egg shape of energy. You are at the core of this energy. Just imagine a protective screen around the outside of this energy ball. Which just allows pure, loving energies inwards. Pure, loving energies will penetrate. All fear-based energies will be released out through the roots of your tree and down into the heart of Mother Earth, so she can transmute the energies into divine abundance, to be recycled, to be used as love and nourishment for the whole of life force earth energy. Just sit in the energies a moment, feeling loved, protected, safe. Before you get a sense of yourself back in the room, back in your seat or on the floor, back in your body. Feel your feet on the ground. Feel your body being supported. Get a sense of the noises and the environment around you. And just enjoy the rest of your day. Love and blessings, Michelle.